What's up, Monty loves? I'm back again, and this time I am here to give you an update on this red hair. I have been getting a lot of questions about it, and I'm here to show y'all that she's here. She's still here, and as long as she's willing to stay, that's just what it's gonna be. So as y'all can see, this hair is in a style. I just have it flat twisted on each side over here, and I just wrapped it in a bun and pinned it back with some bobby pins, and I just curled this little piece here. So I did have it on both sides, but I don't know what happened to the other side. I think I tucked it into the bun here, but I'm going to take this down and show y'all what the ends and everything looks like so y'all can see how it is 2 months. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like taken down out of that hairstyle. What I'm going to do is just brush it out and see how the hair actually is, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the hair all brushed out. The shedding, I'm getting just a little bit of shedding here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, just a little bit. For it being 2 months, for having this hair, is holding up pretty well. It's not tangling. Well, it tangles a little bit. I'm not even gonna front and say that it doesn't. When it comes to the ends, they are getting a little dry. So what I do to combat that is take my flat iron and just straighten the ends back out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I flat iron the ends. Okay, so I have this side all straightened out. She is brand just as new, just about the same she does as I first got it. The ends look pretty much the same, nothing wrong with them. Still moves and everything. I can run my hands through it with no problem. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the other side, and I'll be right back. I got the hair all straightened out, and now what I'm gonna do is just answer some questions that I have gotten on the first video of this hair. So I have my phone here, and I have that old video pulled up, and I'm just gonna scroll through the comments and answer your questions. One of the first questions was, how long did it take to get to you? I ordered this hair on a Thursday, and I received it on a Saturday. So that took about 2 days to get to me. So I'm thinking around 2 or 3 days it'll take to get to pretty much anybody. As I stated before, this wig is from elevatedstyles.com. People have told me that this wig has been sold out on that website. I'm not sure when they're gonna get the wig back in stock because I did purchase this hair on my own with my own money. I researched the wig and I found that it was actually on wigtypes.com as well. Another question. People have asked me what is the real color of this hair. This hair is red, y'all. It comes off like a red orange or orange, whatever. People have been saying red orange, but this color is red, y'all, like really wine red. So that's why I tell you guys to check out my Instagram to see how the hair actually looks in person. So the hair is really red, y'all. It might look red orange because the lighting and the area I am in is actually yellow. So that's probably what's reflecting off of the hair to make it look a little bit orange. But this hair is an actual red wine color. Everyone's asking me, is this, how long is this hair lasting? Is it holding up? As you can see, almost 2 months later, the hair is perfectly fine. Everything's the same pretty much. But again, as a synthetic wig, eventually it will start to tangle. And I start to do hairstyles with the wigs that do start to tangle. As y'all saw in the beginning, I did have the hair a twist style, like 2 little buns, because I didn't feel like dealing with it that day. So I just made a style. But to combat the tangling and things, I do suggest just flat ironing the ends and it'll be back to normal. So there's that. Is the wig big head friendly? Yes. Someone asked me, is this wig heavy or lightweight? This wig is very lightweight. It's a lot of hair, but it's very lightweight. So it's not like heavy, you know, my head doesn't feel like, I don't know. It's lightweight, y'all. It's not heavy at all. Someone actually in the comments said the black version of this wig is less thick than this color. That may be true, but I have no problem with the thickness of this wig. I'm pretty sure it'll look good in a different color, less thickness, but this is probably one of my favorite wigs that I have, mainly because of the color, and I can do pretty much anything I want to. As y'all see, I could do like different hairstyles and things with it, and you know. Someone said, how long do you think this wig could last? It's already been about 2 months now, so I can give this wig about 3 to 4 more months, depending on how often I wear it. Because I have many other wigs, I don't wear this wig every day. So that's pretty much how all of my wigs last this long, because I don't wear them every single day. At the end of the day, it's synthetic. It's not gonna last forever. That's pretty much all the questions I've been getting. Hopefully I answered all of the questions. And to help you guys out, I'm actually gonna show y'all how I got that little twisty looking hairstyle I have on my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram at Simone Chanel. I'm gonna go ahead and do the hairstyle and we can go from there. What I do first is part the hair about this much across. So I just take a finger or comb and part it all the way to my ear here. And I just pull this to the front. Also do the same thing on the other side. Pull that to the front. So now you have this front part, and what I'm going to do is take the back portion and put it into a ponytail. So I have my little band here. So what I'm going to do is just comb all the hair over to this side. So I just take a loose part, or take a little bit of hair right here loosely. So if you do it tight, it'll be like all jacked up like this. We don't want that. So just take it lightly, then start twisting. And how I twist, y'all, is I just take my index finger, go up under this space here, get a little bit hair, grab a hold of the other hair here and pull that under, and that's a twist. So now that I have my twist right here, I'm just going to let the rest of the hair down and pull it over to the side, and I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side and start twisting flat twisting the rest of this hair. And to seal the bottom, I just take my band again and just put it down here at the bottom. And when that is secured at the bottom, I just brushed it out. And on the hairstyle on my Instagram, the ends were actually curled. So I'm going to go ahead and take my flat iron and just bump the ends. So that's the ends right here. Have it in a little curl down there. And that's pretty much it. This hair does take pretty well to heat. If you wanted to, you could take it all the way over. Do like a little, what do you call these things? A braided crown. Duh, Simone, what? I hope I answered all of you guys' questions. If y'all have any more, definitely leave them down in the comment section. But before you ask me any questions, look in my description box, guys. I have all the information, details, and everything in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.